So, I was at the Megarun 2024. They brought out the big toys, the big guns. I was ill-equipped for the type of stuff that they brought. Because if I had known and done my research beforehand, I would have known there were big rigs and fancy-ass stuff coming out, like these trucks here. With that, I would have brought this, our Ursa 12K, to film it in a much higher quality than I did. But it didn't. I could have even brought one of these other ones, like this. 4K on the gimbal. This would have been great. Or even this one. Our handheld rig, 6K, raw. But no, I brought this. Yeah, I brought my stills camera and the GoPro Hero 12. So how did I make out filming and shooting for this event? Let's go see. With stills being the main focus for me that day, I think it went pretty well. And I think it's pretty obvious from watching the clips that I did get that the photos were the priority. Now, what I should do for next time, what I think I should do for next time, is use this. The 2470 with the GoPro, because I find with the 70 to 200 I had before, the focal range and the range I needed to be at were quite different between the GoPro and the 70-200, because you're using an ultra wide with a telephoto, and then I need to be far away for the photos to get these really cool isolated shots, but then everything on the GoPro is quite tiny. I think a better matchup for this style of events or photography/videography would be with the 2470 and the GoPro. So I'm going to give this a shot, and I'll let you know how it goes. Bye.